It's hard to see, but it's best I can do. 2012 Honda Elantra alternator, new belt, maybe less than 5 miles. It's pretty warm to the touch, and so is the belt. So I'm going to loosen it. I don't have a tension kit, but turning it, the belt, this is the longest section of the belt. Turning it 90 degrees with one finger, it's a little bit hard. So I'm going to loosen, per the manual, the bolts, so we can loosen it, and then we'll see as it gets looser, counterclockwise, and so that we can turn the belt 90 degrees. Still not, and it's not that tight. A little more. And in the sections, I'll let you know if I have to tighten it back up a little bit more. Somebody told me that if you can turn the belt by hand, it's too loose, but I can turn it by hand when it was before I started loosening it up. I don't think that's too accurate. I think we're almost there. Let's do a little bit more. Yeah, I think that's loose enough for me. I don't want to go looser, even though I still can't quite get the 90 degree. But if I do force, I can. But so let's leave it at that, and then we'll see when we start it how it goes. So after you want your tension, what you're gonna do, as you see my finger, you have to tighten that. It's nice and tight, nothing crazy. Then you tighten this one here. It's nice and tight, nothing crazy. And you don't have to mess with a tension bolt. That's the tension bolt. Anyway, 2012 Honda Elantra. Just replace the alternator. EOM, guys. Do not buy rebuild. Go EOM from the Honda dealership.